We're here at the Genesis Convention Center, and yes, we are celebrating the Blairs and their accomplishment throughout the community. We are the Blind Social Center located at 5037 Broadway, right in the heart of Gary. We have with them on this afternoon Councilman Ronye Scott. Would you like to say words of encouragement or a shout out to the Blairs?
Well, I guess I can do both, shout out and encouragement.
All right.
The Blairs have been a pillow in the community in Glen Park for a number of years. I had the pleasure of meeting them early on before I became elected, had office supply business, and they came and patronized a business there, and they just were so active in the community. We had Easter eggs hunts right next door at Junedale, and they let me use their electricity. And I know they put up with a lot of the kids and everything like that, but they've just always been involved with the community. So when the opportunity came with the social center, I was just more obliged to be able to assist whatever they needed to be done so it could be possible. And today, by watching them receive the award, I couldn't miss this for anything in the world. I just want to tell them congratulations. I'm so proud of you. And just keep going, because this is not the end, because they're always so active. They have, God has given them a vision, and they continue to go further and further. So thank you for inviting me and having me out today.
Well, we thank you for showing up, and also in the words of Mr. Blair, I must concur. God has definitely given them favor. God bless all of you. Thank you.